The day has come, folks. The helper bot called FixProfit has received the biggest update ever. This is a unique advisor that collects indicators data in real time and provides it to you in the most convenient format, takes into account market data, determines in which direction you need to enter the deal. This robot is absolutely free, get it? Link in the description. But that's not all, you will also get a promo code for plus 100% to your deposit. That is, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus on top of that. Or, for example, if you deposit $500 then on deposit you will have $1,000. Promo code works on the first deposit. So, I'm going to start working. Now I enter the market for 1% of the deposit amount. I recommend you to observe money management, friends. The signal from the robot within the 5-minute time frame is for active selling. This means that locally the sellers are dominating. But what happens on a longer distance? On the 15-minute time frame, the forecast from the robot is lower. This reinforces our first signal and suggests a sustained downtrend. This leads me to believe that I can enter the market on a 3-minute time frame, for example, and take a profit with a high probability. Alright, here's why I entered this sell trade. First, the AI bot gave a clear active sell signal, with 8 indicators aligned for a bearish move. Everything from RSI to MACD showed selling pressure, plus key metrics like Williams %R and CCI confirmed oversold conditions. This tells me the pair was heavily bearish with no signs of a reversal. I noted the local highs, after which the price rushed down even harder. Second, right after the signal, I saw confirmation on the chart, a strong downward trend. Combined with low volatility ATR, this made the perfect setup for a steady price drop. The stars aligned for this trade, now we wait for it to close in profit. FixProfit is not a dough button, it is a quality, working tool that will help you in trading, but you need to learn how to use it, and then the probability of correct trades will be about 80%. In TradingView, I decided to look at the situation locally. The bears are saturating the market with volumes quite confidently, although the bulls periodically get into the game and create conditions for consolidation. You should watch the market both locally and globally, guys. Now I see that a narrow corridor is emerging. But within the 3-minute time frame, the factor of long-term dominance of sellers should become decisive. I want to tell you again, I looked at the 5-minute signal and the 15-minute signal for a reason. I wanted to see the trends both locally and over distance, and the conclusion I drew gives me confidence. Now listen to me, friends, you're going to love this news. I'm running a new contest. I will choose 2 winners who will receive $1,000 each for one random comment. Try your luck. You need to do a few very simple things. Watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to the channel, like it, and write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those people who will watch the video to the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only one comment is accepted from one person. Our team will choose the winners using randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in our Telegram channel. The link is in the description below this video. There's even more valuable information there to help you become a better person. Subscribe. Guys, as you can see on the screen, my thoughts turned out to be correct and the robot helped me with quality analytics and collected data. Yes, the trade ends in a consolidation state, a narrow corridor. I received $667.50 in my pocket. Friends, get the bot from the link in the description for free. Also, besides the bot, you get access to VIP chat with signals and market analysis from experienced experts. The second trade I will make on another currency pair with a high payout percentage. These are the American dollar and the Swiss franc. The expiry time is 3 minutes. My investment will again be 1% of the amount on the account. I advise you to do this in most cases, especially if you have small amounts in your account so far. Proceed carefully. Now my neural network assistant is going to show me the situation at a distance of 15 minutes. I want perspective. 2 clicks. So, it's an active buy. Now let's get closer. Time frame is 5 minutes. The verdict from FixProfit is similar to the previous one. This is an active buy. This is bullish dominance in the near term. This helps me see trends very quickly. A snapshot of all the market information. The AI bot gave a strong active buy signal with 8 indicators aligned for upward movement. RSI, MACD, and CCI all confirmed bullish momentum, and the ADX showed a strong trend. Even though some indicators flagged overbought, this often means continued strength in the short term rather than an immediate reversal. I also see areas of rising highs on the chart that suggest weighty buying potential. At the time of entry, I saw consistent upward price action with low volatility ATR, which made the move predictable. The setup looked perfect for a quick profit, and I entered just as the trend confirmed its momentum. Let's see it close in the green. The frequency of data update in the robot is 1 minute. You can check the situation as you go along so that you can use scaling or hedging if necessary. So, in TradingView, I see an upward trend in the tick volume histogram. The bulls are getting stronger, green bars are more frequent than red ones. There is a noticeable pronounced situation along the Bollinger Bands, which is called walking the band. The price is systematically moving higher, often it happens within a sideways movement. And then what? Next is the corridor, in my opinion. Yes, I believe that the price will move approximately in the same range, possibly consolidating. I want to remind you folks once again that FixProfit is a unique assistant that collects indicator data in real time. It will make your work more optimized and objective. The bot is absolutely free. You can pick it up at the link in the description. You will also get a promo code for plus 100% to your deposit. That is, if you deposit $50, you will get $50 bonus on top of that. Meanwhile, a few hours away, I decided to take a look at the trend. This upward movement is global and has been going on for a very long time. Check such moments when you open trades on long-term timeframes. Guys, remember, the bigger the amount on your deposit, the better and more variant maneuvers. If you have $100 or more on your deposit, entering the market at 1 to 5% of the deposit amount is acceptable. If you have only $50 on your account, trade strictly on 1% of the deposit. Do not drain your deposit, do not tilt. If you get 2 minuses in a row, take a break until the next day. Do not lose on emotions. In the meantime, you see that the price is moving well above the entry point on the chart. Yes, I made the right inference, focusing on the 5-minute and 15-minute signals from the robot. I entered the trade for 3 minutes, keeping in mind the trends that the neural network showed me. And it worked. My account was credited with $681.74. In total, I earned $1,349.24 for 2 trades during this trading session. Guys, accumulate real trading experience, pump up your visibility, and implement effective tools for optimization. In this case, you will be able, like me, to achieve the desired result. Cold-blooded, attentive, and motivated. Get the bot for free at the link in the description, subscribe and like it. More to come.